trip. I got you, I got you, I got me. Just get you. Selfish, it's not true. I'ma show you how I could do. Throw it back when you rock the move. Reason why I probably rock with you. I got me, I got you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Porchia Nicole here. Today is a luxury haul. I think I haven't done that many luxury hauls on my channel. Maybe two. Yeah, two. So yeah, if you like luxury hauls, if you think they're very informational, if you just like to watch them because you like to see what people got, or you just like to watch them because you're interested in some of these things and you want to know how they work for other people, this will be a great video for you. Me personally enjoy luxury hauls. Some of this stuff I picked up because I seen other people with it and I was like, ooh, I need that in my life. So if you're like me and like these type of videos, keep on watching. Anyway, the first thing I got for Louis Vuitton, and I have not opened this since I purchased it. I did get this a while back too, y'all. Wait, why is the red bottom card in here? Y'all, I've been looking for my damn glasses. Damn. I was just telling my boyfriend that I didn't know where my damn glasses was. Anyway, it comes like this in this little box. You can pull it out like this, and this is it. Little dust bag. Oh, this is such a cute little dust bag. And here it is, and it is the 6 key holder. Okay, so it's like this. It's in the monogram print. It's the same color in the inside as my wallet, and yeah, it's just my wallet is this color in the inside. And like I said, it holds your keys. You can put some cards behind it. Yeah, I like this. I watch a lady here on YouTube. I think her name is Lux Mommy, maybe, and she lives by this thing. She talks about it all the time. If she talks about like her favorite must-have small SLGs, this is one of them. So yes, I really like this. I haven't used it, y'all, and I've been dying to use it, but I was like, I don't know why I hadn't used it yet. My boyfriend was like, that mean I must really didn't need it because I have yet to pull it out the box. And I think we purchased this like a while back, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on, we purchased this back in July. So like I said, I seen Lux Mommy with this, and she always talks about it, and I was like, ooh, I want that. Ooh, I want that. I want that for my keys because I do have a keyless fob and other little keys that will fit on here, and I just be throwing them around and I be scratching up certain items. So I was like, if I can link them all in here and close them up, they will be safe and they won't be getting all scratched up and stuff. So yeah, the next things I got are from Tory Burch. Y'all, I like Tory Burch. I mean, they're pretty affordable. Like, their purses are affordable, their little slides are affordable, and they're very common for people to wear those slides. I can't think of the name of the slides that people normally wear. Let me get them. Like these slides right here, I can't think of the name of what these slides are, but I know like when people mostly get these slides from Tory Burch, and I got like 2 pair of those slides, and that's what made me start going into her store. And then I started noticing her bags. I have 2 of her bags right here, and I was like, I really like her bags. They're very affordable and I like the quality of them, so I was like, let me get me some more of those bags. So one of the bags that I got is the smaller Fleming bag in the matte black. I have the soft black right here already, and then I got the smaller one in the matte black. Now that I have the smaller one, I wish that I would have got it the bigger one, but it is what it is now. It's probably the best if I just keep the smaller one, because honestly the material on this one is really sensitive. I mean, it gets any scuff or anything that you get on it, it shows up. So honestly, I do regret this purchase because you have to be really, really careful with it. So would I recommend it? Yes and no. Yes, if you're looking for like a all matte black bag with no silver, no gold or anything in it, and you just wanted to be plain black, a little small petite one, you know, but know that you have to be careful with it when it comes to makeup or getting scuffing it with your keys or anything, because it will leave a mark. And this, I only have wore this, I have already wore this one time, and as you can see, It already has that on there, and I don't even know what to use to get that off with. So if y'all have any suggestions, just let me know. But yeah, I really like this bag. This is like the length of it right here. Cute little bag. It's really small and dainty. I like that about the bag. Also from Tory Burch, I got some sandals. And y'all, let me tell y'all about these sandals. I do not like these sandals. These are the sandals that look like this. They're like the jelly material. I do not like these. I don't know why they dusty. I do not like these sandals. They're not as comfortable as the other Tory Burch sandals that I showed you. It is something about like the way where your foot sits in here. It's like a gap, and it hurts really bad. It's not like the buckle, like I have the Gucci sandals, and when I first got them, the buckle behind it really hurt, but after so long it loosened up. But these is not really the buckle. It's like this area right here is not sitting on your foot correctly. It's like a gap like this on your foot, so it's really weird when you wearing them. So I do regret this purchase, and I do not like these, but I didn't take them back because I had wore them on a cruise and it was like too late. They was already dirty, so I just kept them. But yeah, so I just wanted to make sure that I show these here. These are their most affordable ones. They're only like $110, but they're not comfortable at all. Okay, from Tory Burch, I also got another purse, and y'all, I really am in love with this purse. I'm pretty sure in the long run I'm gonna probably regret this purchase. Mainly because I know I'm not gonna do good with it. I know I'm gonna mess this purse up, but I wanted it so bad, and it is the Fleming bag in white. Oh, this is so sexy. I was like, oh my god, I love this purse. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. I was in a store and I kept touching it, and I kept touching it, and I kept looking at it, and Derek was like, do you want it? Do you want it? And I was like, I think I want it. I think I want it. And so yes, we got it. But yes, question, let me know down below, is having too many of the same type of purse too much? So like I already got two, so is that too much? Because they also have a red one, and I really want the red one too. So is that like, is it too much to have the same type of purse but in two different colors? Should I switch to something else? Or does it not matter? You know, you just get what you like. I mean, y'all let me know. What would y'all do? But yes, I really like this purse. This is the inside. The strap. It's still some paper in here. I don't know if I'm going to leave this purse out on the shelf without being in the dust bag, because I don't want it to get all dusty and stuff. But yeah, you can wear it like this. It's pretty much the same length. Or you know, you can just wear it like this. I probably would hold it in my hand because I wouldn't want my jeans. I probably wouldn't even wear it if I had on some jeans, but I probably would still hold it in my hand because I wouldn't want anything that I was wearing to rub against the back. It's just such another delicate purse, you know, but I really like it. I mean, it's just a great alternative. Like it was the Gucci has one that's white and gold, but that purse is like $2,000 maybe plus tax. I don't know. This one is like 500 and something. I mean, you do the math. This one is way more affordable. So yeah, I really like this. Also from Tory Burch, I got some Tory Burch earrings. I just want to share these with y'all because I'm the type of person where I can wear jewelry that's not real, because like these earrings are like not real, but I just can't leave them in that long. But for these earrings, I thought they would be like at least 14 karat gold or something. I don't know for the price, but I can't leave these earrings in that long. Like I can't leave them in like 2 days because the back part would start irritating my ear. But if you can, and that doesn't bother you, then these are some really cute earrings. They'll be a really cute gift for your girl, or even if you like them for yourself. These are really cute. The next two items I got was from a place that I haven't shopped at in so long, that I never thought that I would shop at again. You know, it's really out of style. You know, some people still shop there, but I usually would never shop at this particular store ever. Like, I still had watches by this particular brand. That because for me, I don't really care about watches. Like, watches is just whatever. It's just like the little earrings that we wear out of whatever. It doesn't matter to me. So, but I thought these purses was so cute, and I was like, boom, I'm getting this purse. It's cute. I don't care whose the brand is. This purse here, and this purse is from Michael Kors, and I found this purse in the outlet, and it was on sale, you guys. This purse was on sale in the outlet. This purse was regular like $400, which says $398, and like I said, it was in the outlet for, I don't even remember. It was like 70% off and then 20%. I don't know. But I know at the end it was like, I got it for like $130. And I thought it was cute. And I liked it because it was patent leather. It was silver. And I was like, boom. I can wear it with my red bottom. So I thought this was going to be a cute outfit to pair it with. I mean, a cute purse to pair my shoes with. So yes, I really like this purse. You can still do the one strap if you want to, or the two, you know, like so, or whatever. So it does, you flip this up and you open it, and then yeah, here's the inside. Has different compartments or whatever. This is cute. I like this purse. So yeah, sometimes, so I told myself like, oh, this is a cute Michael Kors purse. It doesn't have MK all over it, because if it did have MK all over it, or Michael Kors really big, I would not have gotten it, because it's just, I don't know, that's just not my stilo. It's just not my thing. But I also got another purse from Michael Kors, and what made me get this purse was I was looking for a brown purse, like a caramel color, to wear with, like, when I wear like my caramel color shoes. I didn't have a purse to match, and I just happened to go into Michael Kors again, and they had this purse, and I was like, okay, Michael Kors, you doing it again. It's just a nice leather purse. You don't know that it's Michael Kors unless you're looking right here at this little bitty Michael Kors right here. So yeah, I thought this was cute. Now, I didn't get this purse out the outlet. I got this particular purse out of the store itself, and I asked the sales associate there, will this purse go to the outlet? And she told me no, because normally I was like, I wasn't gonna get the purse, because I was like, that purse is gonna end up in the outlet and it's gonna be like $100, and I'm gonna be so mad that I spent my money on this purse. But she told me that it wouldn't go to the outlet, because this was a collection that they had did with some model, some lady or something. I don't know. She could have been lying to me just to get me to buy the purse or whatever, but because I told her I wouldn't buy the purse because it could be in the outlet. But I do know that if I catch this purse in the outlet, I'm gonna go find that lady. We're gonna have a problem. But yeah, I really like this purse either way. I think it's really cute and good quality. So yeah, here it is on the inside. It's really cute. I like it. I also got two things from the Gucci store, and they are belts. And the first belt that I got was the gold belt like this with the, I think it's called like the web or whatever, and it's the blue and red. I got this to go with some shoes that I'm going to show y'all in another haul. I'm going to do a luxury shoe haul, and I just didn't want to make this video super long, so I just decided to say that to a different video. But yeah, I did get this belt, and this belt is in a 90, and I should have got this belt in an 85 because it is too big. It's a little too big. Like if I wear it, you know, regular, like around my hip or whatever, it's fine. It doesn't have that much, this part hanging out. But if I wanted to like wear it around my waist, which I wouldn't wear this particular one around my waist, but if I wanted to, it would be too big. So yeah, this is, I wish I would have got an 85, but I didn't. And I honestly only got this belt to match the shoes these shoes that I got, that I will show y'all in another video. But I still do like this belt. And then the other belt I got was the normal one that everybody and their mama has right here. I also got this one in a 90, and same as the other one, I should have got it in a 85 because it's the same. If I wear it around my waist, it's fine. Well, my hips, but if I put it around like my waist, then it's too big. I can't really cinch anything in. I think I can get it adjusted though. Like, I'm pretty sure I can take it to like a leather shop and they can fix it and make it smaller. But yeah, I just wish I would have got the 85 from the get-go and instead. But yeah, I really do like this belt. These are cute. Everyone has these belts. I mean, they're like a cute little staple belt. I don't think they will go out of style, and even if they was to go out of style, they will come back in style in a few years. So yeah, I like these. I want the skinny one too. Like, this is the bigger one. Like, this is like the medium one because they have one way bigger than this. I want the little skinny one too for, like, you know, when I don't want to wear this big one. From Tiffany, I got some earrings because I wanted some nice, you know, silver earrings, the ones that, you know, they've been around forever, the little heart with the Tiffany company in the inside, the signature ones. I also got these, and these are, I'm pretty sure, like actual sterling silver or whatever they use, because these doesn't bother me at all. I can wear these for like days and not have to take them out, and they do not bother me. So these were a very good purchase. I do like these. I have had these earrings before, and I had lost one of them, like, I want to say like 3 years ago, and then I got them again. So yeah, I do like these earrings for days when I'm not wearing hoops and I just want to wear a cute little dainty, you know, earring. These are really cute. But yeah, guys, those are all the things that I picked up over pretty much the, I want to say the summer, probably like June to now, which is September. It's June to now. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this haul. If y'all want any more information on anything, just ask me down below and I'll be sure to answer your questions. And yeah, like always, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bouncing, big old booty bouncing. I'm pouring up 2 ounces. This shit flow like a fountain. This shit tall like a mountain.